guys, Devian here from SMK Pasir Panjang Production representing Malaysia. Welcome to our thrilling voyage into the realm of textile pollution and sustainable fashion. Brace yourself because did you know that the fashion industry is like the wild child of pollution, ranking just behind the oil industry? Yeah, it's a wild ride. Fast fashion is a lightning speed production and throwaway mentality is straight up wrecking our planet and communities. I mean, we are talking millions of tons of textile waste dumped into landfill every year, spewing our nasty chemicals and greenhouse gases like there's no tomorrow. And guess what? There is a tomorrow and it's not looking too great if we keep this up. But fear not, my friends, for there glimmer of hope in this dark polluted sky. Sustainable clothing picture these eco-friendly materials, fair wages for garment workers, and brands that give a damn about our planet is like the Avenger of fashion but real life heroes. So let's suit up and make a chance because together we have got the power to rock this world in the best possible way. Lovers, get ready to spice up your wardrobe with our latest creation, a dress made from coffee powder. Not only is it is eco-friendly and stylish, but it's also treatment to sustainable fashion innovation. Join us in making bold statement for both fashion and the planet by rocking the coffee-made masterpiece.
Hey Kavi, have you heard about this new app everyone talking about? It's called the Garment Tracker.
No, I haven't. What's it about?
Well, image you buy a new piece of clothing and you want to know where it came from, how it was made, and its environmental impact. That's where the Garment Tracker comes in. It's like a accessibility superhero your wardrobe.
That sounds interesting. But how does it work?
It is pretty simple. Actually, you just scan the barcode, enter the product detail into the app, and give it all the information you need. From the materials you use, the carbon footprint of the garment.
Wow, that impressive. But can we trust the information provided by the app?
Absolutely. The app works with the fashion brands and manufacturers to ensure the data is accurate, up to date. Plus, is constantly being verified by independent accessibility organization.
I love that idea. It's like having a personal sustainability coach right in your pocket. Count me in. I am definitely downloading the Grammar Tractor app right now.
Spirit Kavi. Together we can make the real difference in promoting accessibility in the fashion industry.
Yes, man. Here's to a more sustainable wardrobe.
Cheers to that, Kavi.
Our idea is about more than just fixing a problem, it's about making a big change. We are taking waste and turning into stylish clothes, helping the environment and meeting the demand for sustainable fashion. And with the right support, we can make a huge impact worldwide. Who's with us to change the fashion game, make the world greener? One outfit at a time. Let's do it. Welcome to the world of upcycling where the using food waste and bacteria to dye clothes. Imagine old clothes getting a cool makeover with scraps from your kitchen. These new clothes aren't just clothes, they are reminder life more consciously. Who's ready to join us to change the fashion game? Get set to dazzle in our coffee mate masterpiece. We are not just creating fashion here, we are championing sustainability. Picture yourself strutting your stuff in a chic and eco-friendly design that screams style and conscience. Join the movement towards a greener future and wear a coffee dress with pride. Let's make a bold and sustainable statement on outfit at a time.